In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip and rotate videos in CapCut. Launch CapCut application on your device and import video that you want to rotate or flip into CapCut timeline. Select video in the timeline and you will see set of editing options appear at the bottom of screen. To flip video horizontally or vertically, tap on the mirror button and this will flip video along the selected axis. If you need to rotate video by 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise, tap on the rotate button in the middle and you can rotate video multiple times until it aligns with your desired orientation. After applying flip or rotation, preview video to ensure that looks as intended. If any further adjustments are needed, you can repeat the process until you are satisfied. Once you are happy with changes, export video by tapping on the export button and choose the desired export settings and save video to your device.